Alright, hello. So what we're going to go ahead and do, I'm going to give you more information so that you can really get to work on your research paper and do what you need to do. So right now I'm going to go over what you need to do for your notes and to find it. This is the Research Notes Graphic Organizer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and find whatever article, if the article you want to use was some of the things that I put on Springboard. So like this one could be right here. This is on 117. If you're talking about the counterclaim, you could go and use this one as one of your sources. So why college shouldn't have to be for everyone. So the notes, what I'm talking about, either a direct quote or a paraphrase from this article. It could be straight with inequality at record levels and almost all the economic gains going to the top. There's more pressure than ever kids go home. So I would just like copy that and put it in the Research Notes Graphic Organizer as one of the notes. There are 6 of them. You need to have at least 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that all of 4 notes, this one right here, this one is all from the same source. Okay? All from the same source. So, whatever internet source you choose, these 4 notes should all be from that one. You're going to have 4 notes from 2 sources. So one of them is going to be on your counterclaim. You're going to need notes for your counterclaim, and one of them is going to need to be from your main point, that whatever you choose. Okay, so so that's what you put it in. You straight up just put, so subtopic, I wouldn't worry about that right now, unless you want to put in there, so like main point 1, or the counterclaim right there, and you can have different notes. So all of the notes from one source can be about a different topic. Okay, so if I'm using this source, a degree from a prestigious university from Open Doors, so the business with law schools jokes by no companies here. So that could be, this is from the same article, but this one wouldn't be about my counterclaim. It would be about my main point 1, that you make more money by having a college degree. So then, even though this isn't about the counterclaim, but it's all from one source, I need to have 4 notes from one source about anything in my paper. Okay? Anything in my paper. I just have to have at least 1 or 2 notes per counterclaim and main point. So if I need to have 2 different sources that I use. So if I have more than that, then I have more than that. So that's important to keep in mind when you're doing this, that that you are doing what you need to. Okay, in this, you need to have 4 notes. And then I also put in here how to find the database source, because that's the other source you need. You need 1 internet source and 1 database source, and then 4 notes for each of those. And then I'll put an example of a works cited. You guys can, honestly, you can put an easy bit to have it in there, just so you have it. And that's really, the rest is up to you. Once you have your research, I'm going to start talking about how I want the paragraphs done. But this is really, really important. You're going to have to work on this. We don't have much time, so you really got to work on this, and you got to find this stuff, okay? But I posted, so there's 2 videos, this one going over the notes, the other one going over the database source, and you need to start working. Okay, thanks guys, have a good day. Email me if you have questions, okay?